Hello, General Biology. This is our climate change video. I think it's part 7, and it is climate change connections. And so we're going to look at how all of the different parts of climate change are connected to each other, all 6 parts. And so here we go. First, we have humans undergoing the large-scale combustion of fossil fuels that started in the Industrial Revolution. All of that steam engines, all that coal burning, oil burning, natural gas burning, gasoline burning, so that we could have roads and power plants and air conditioning and electrical technological appliances and all of these great stuff. All of that large scale burning of fossil fuels started in the 1850s or so. That led to increased carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. And when there's a high concentration in our atmosphere, some of it will diffuse into the ocean and become an acid, causing ocean acidification. Also, that increased carbon dioxide in the atmosphere will, because carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas, trap temperatures. And if the temperatures are increasing, that's having an effect on our seasons, and our summers are longer and our winters are shorter, and that's causing more ice to melt each year. Well, when more ice melts, more water flows into the ocean, and warmer water expands, so our sea levels are rising. And that's how all the parts of climate change are connected to each other. So let's review that. Climate change is primarily started by humans doing large-scale combustion of fossil fuels. This increases the amount of carbon dioxide in our atmosphere. The increased carbon dioxide in our atmosphere diffuses into the ocean, making the ocean acidic. The increased carbon dioxide in our atmosphere traps more heat, making our temperatures increase. The increased temperatures causes summers to be longer and winters to be shorter. And the increased temperatures and seasonal changes cause more ice to melt. The melting ice and the expansion of warm water causes sea levels to rise. Now, there's a little more to this. If you're watching this and preparing for our exam, in addition to the connections of climate change, I'm going to ask you for solutions. And there are no single right answer for this. There are lots of ways humans can make changes in their life to reduce the impact of climate change. And so I'm not looking for any one answers, but I'm going to have you give me 3 ways that you as an individual can reduce your impact for climate change, and how and 3 changes that you would like to see society make to reduce their impacts for climate change. We have to start thinking about these solutions if we're going to implement them. So if you can research that online. There's lots of information about how to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide you produce as you live your lives. So struggle well, and I hope this helps.